What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be adding one more section down below, and that is going to be the services I offer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here right here, and I want to go to this guy, and I want just this. I just basically want to copy this, duplicate this section, just because I don't want to do everything from start right now. So I want to come here. Okay, I want to just hit this duplicate section, and you can see that this is right here. Okay, so what I want to do right here, I want to change this to be what I can do. Okay, and I want to delete this guy and delete this guy as well. Okay, so let's come here and let's hit duplicate column. Okay, and I want to come here. I want to come here to edit section right here. I want to come here and I want to change this to be white and change this color to be blue. Okay, and what I want right now is that I want to come here and I want to go to the location. So location is going to be 30%. So it should be 30%. Okay, and let's come here and I want to just bring this to be, let's come here to edit section and just basically come here and just drag it and drop till here. Okay, I want to just come here to edit column and or just come edit column, just come here to edit whole column. Okay, and just come here to column width. No, just come here to this edit section, and the content width should be full width. Okay, and this should be stretched section, so it should be like this. Okay, now what I want the column to be column width. Okay, cool. So here everything looks cool right now. I want this to be, let's just come here to 0. Let's come here to style, and let's come here, and the context width is going to be full width. So this is full width right now. I want this to be right here. So what you have to do, you basically have to just duplicate this section, and you can see that this is coming right here. You have to change the color, you have to switch color, and then you have to make sure that everything is full width right here. So what you have to do, you have to just come here to this section, and then you have to come here to stretch section so that everything is stretched right here. Okay, and then you have to add some stuff. Okay, so now what I want, let's just do it from start so that it is not confusing to you guys. I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna hit remove section. I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna duplicate this section. Okay, and now what I want to change this first, so that is going to be what I can do. Okay, and here I want to delete this, and I also want to delete this column right here, so it should be remove column. Okay, and I want to come here to edit this whole section. I want to go to style, and I want to change this color. So this should be white and this should be blue. So this should be white and this should be blue. Okay, and what I want to do right now is that the location should be 30%. So it should be on 30. Okay, now what I want this to be the full width. So I want this to be stretched. Okay, and this should be full width so that everything inside is fully full width. Okay, now what I want this to be as well the full width. I want to come here and edit this section, which is inside this section. Okay, I want to come here, I want to go to the box, and I want to come here to full width. So this is now full width as well. I want to come here to edit column, and I want to duplicate it as column so that one more column is added. Okay, let's come here, let's just hit, and you can see that 2 columns are right here. I want this to be to 30%. Okay, now this is whole 30%. So you can see that on number one, we have our header, then we have about me, and then we have what I can do. So now here I want an image, and here I want some services that I want to offer. So for image, I want to go to pixabay.com. Okay, let's go to pixabay.com and let's grab an image. So I want an image to be transparent. So this is also a free website where you can get some images. So this is the image is going to be transparent, and I want a businessman. So I think this one is good. This one is good. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit free download, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit download too. I'm just downloading this right now. So now let's come here, and I want it to be right here. So I want to just come here, and I want an image right here. Okay, and let's come here and let's hit choose your image. So I basically want to change the rotate the image. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag this image, and I want to come open it up right here. So let's drag it, and let's come here. Okay, and I want to just press Control T so that it should be this should be coming right here. I want just to drag it and just come here. So now you can see that the image is changed. Okay, the image location is changed. I just want to save it now, and I want just Control Alt to save, and let's hit save so that it is saved. Okay, I want to save it to the desktop. Let's hit save, and okay. So I want to come here right now. I want to come here. I want to go to upload files. I want to go to select files. Let's go to the desktop right here, and let's grab this image. Okay, and I want to hit insert media. So this is coming right here. You can see I want to go to the size should be medium. Or just go to the style, and let's decrease the size to be this much. Okay, and then we have the hover. So on hover, it should be Bob. So this is just scary a bit. So I want to go to the Bob. Okay, this is looking good. This is just basically grabbing that attention that, hey, I'm floating or I'm just jumping or something like that. Okay, and here I want to add the services. So for services, I want to go to this section, and let's see which type of thing that we can add. So I can add icon list, I can add toggle, and I think I should add icon list. I'm just gonna drag it and drop it right here. So you can see they're right here. I just want to add the items. Okay, let's come here to list item, and this should be list item number 1. So this should be web design. Web design. Okay, and let's just copy. Let's just duplicate it. So everything is duplicated right here. I'm just gonna come here, and here we have the space. Then we have the center. So it should be light here. We have icon. So icon color should be black. So you can also add the icon as well. Okay, and then we have the size. So we can also increase the size. So this is how you can also add the icon list. But I don't think so if I should add an icon list. Instead, I think I need an icon box. Okay, icon box might be the better one. So I need some columns right here. I want to come here, I want to drag the column, and I want to drop it right here. Okay, so I cannot drag and drop the column inside a column. Okay, so what I can do, I can manage the icon box. So it is here. I want to go to this guy right here. So I want some more columns, okay? I'm just gonna grab this. I want duplicate column and duplicate column, okay? And I want this to come right here, okay? So this should be set to 30%, and this should be set to 20%, and this should be set to this. So here we have right here, okay? What I can do right now, I can change the size of the image to be medium. And there we go. You can see that everything is looking cool. Now here I can add the what are the services that I can offer. So for the number one is, this is the heading, should be web design. Web design and development. Okay, I want to come here to style right here, and the primary color is going to be the white. Okay, for icon. Okay, for the content, it should be, the title is going to be white, and the content area is also going to be white. The description basically. Okay, let's just come here, and you can see everything is looking cool. So what I want to do, I'm just gonna come here, I want to duplicate widget. Okay, duplicate it, and let's just come here, let's delete the widget from here, and let's delete the widget from here as well. So I want to drag this widget, drop it right here, drag this widget, drop it right here, drag this widget, drop it right here, and I want to duplicate one more. So duplicate. So everything is looking cool. You can see that it says what I can do. Let's just increase the size to be like large again. And everything is looking cool. So we have our services right here. If I just fully make it, you can see how it is looking. So it has about me, and then it has what I can do. So I can do these services I have. So I have web design and development. I have web design and development only. So I'm just gonna change them. Okay, what you can do, you can just come here to single, and then you have to change it to be like, for web design and development, it should be laptop. Okay, and for SEO, it should be marketing, or like graph. Let's just search this. Okay, I want to, okay, and this, for this, I want it to be mobile apps, application development. Okay, and this should be for an app. Okay, let's come here and let's change this to be the graphic design. Okay, and this to be marketing. Okay, and for marketing, I want to change this to be a graph as well. It should be a graph, but it should be a normal one. Okay, and this one is the last one. So this is going to be video animation, video animation. Okay, cool. I want this to be a normal one. So this is gonna be video, video, video camera. So you can see how this is looking. If I just make it the full width, you can see we have the whole one. This says Tanzila Rahman. I'm just gonna go down, and on clicking this, it's gonna take me down where I have about me section, and then I have the what I can do. So I can do web design and development, I can do SEO, I can go with application development, I can do graphic design, marketing, and the video animation. So this is looking kind of cool. Okay, if you don't like this or if you don't want this, you can also just change it. You can change it completely. What you can do is that you can delete it. You can delete this column basically. Okay, what you can do, you can just come here and let's hit delete. Okay, so this has been deleted. This is coming right here totally, and you can just come here to edit section and you can make it the full one. So I'm just gonna go to the background type, and for the background I want this to be full, so you can see how this is looking. And this should be come here and just unstretch the section, okay, and make it the box one, so you can see how normal it is now. So this is also looking professional, and that was also looking professional. So it totally depends upon you that how you want your website to look. Okay, one more thing that I want to add here is that I want to come here and I want to come here to divider, and divider should be right here. So you can see that a divider is right here, and it should be solid. Its weight should be this. Okay, its color should be, let's just come here to divider again. Its color should be white. Okay, and I want its, okay, I want it to be center. But first, if I just decrease it, you can see that from here it is decreasing. But if I just align it as center and then I decrease it, then you can see that it is decreasing from both sides. So you can see that it is used to basically add a core to your website. So you can see that if I just decrease the gapping and I just go to the margin and I want to just bring it more to the top. So I want it to be the top right here. So now let's come here and you can see how this is looking. I think this what I can do should also be turned to white so that it matches it, everything. So I'm gonna come here to this and I want to change this to be white. Okay, now let's see. So you can see what I can do. I can do the SEO. Let's just decrease the size of this a bit, so it should be decrease it and this. Okay, this looks cool. So what I can do, and I can do these of the following services. So everything looks cool enough right here. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video we're gonna add some more stuff here. So goodbye.